square and cube and square root and square root. So 9 square, okay, 81, and then 32 square, 1024, square root of 81, 9, and square root of 1024, 32. Okay, so this one we have the 6 square, 36, and 3/4 square, and negative 0.5 square. You must make sure the negative is inside the bracket, because if we have the negative 2 square, the calculator will return 4, but if press to negative 2 square, then it will become 4. Okay, so what the calculator do is negative 1 times 2 square. Okay, but if we have the negative 2 square, is actually negative 2 times negative 2. Okay, so make sure that you do put the bracket for the square. So 43 square, and then we have this one, negative 7/13 square. Okay, so it return a fraction, 2.96 square. With one decimal, we press SD. Okay, so square root, so we have the square root, so square root of 64 is 8, square root of 441 is 21. Okay, so we have the square root 4/25 is 2/5, square root of 2 and 7/9, okay, it becomes 5/3, square root of 27/48, it will become 3/4, and square root 0.36, it will become 3/5. Okay, and this one they want decimals, 0.6. Okay, so square root 89, 9.43, square root 154.7, and then we have this one, 627, 2.51. Okay, this one they want the estimation. Okay, we do the calculation for the exact value. Okay, then we know that it's near 900 instead of 400, and the square root of 54, okay, is close to 7, so the answer is 7. And cube, so we have the cube 4 power 3, 64, 0.2 shift square. This one is cube. Press SD. Bracket negative 3/5 cube. Okay, so negative 27/125. Okay, and decimals negative 0.216. Cube root. So cube root, what we do is we press the shift, this to call cube root. Cube root of 64 is 4, and then cube root of 216 is 6. Okay, so something complicated, cube root, and then 8/125, is 205. Cube root of negative 81 over 192, negative 3 over 4. And then cube root, this is 3 and 3 over 8. Okay, so we have 3 over 2. Okay, 3 over 2 press shift SD. Okay, so this one we want to find the cube root of 0.027, 0.3, and cube root of negative 0.008. Then I have the negative 0.2. Okay, so this one they want the cube root of 24, 2.88, cube root of negative 104.8, 104.8. Okay, and then we have the cube root of negative 1 and 2 over 9, so negative 1.07. Okay, so we want to estimate this value, so we just calculate out this value lah, 4.2 power 3. So 74, near to 64 instead of 125. So we have the cube root of 180. Okay, close to 6. It's between 5 and 6 and close to 6. Okay, so this one we have the 0.5 square plus cube root of 1000. Then the answer is 10.25. Okay, negative 3 cube minus square root of 64, so negative 35, square root of 25 plus negative 0.2 square divided by cube root of 0.008. So the answer is 5.2. Okay, and this one is cube root of negative 3 and 3 over 8 multiply with square root 36 minus 2 to the power of 3 square. Okay, oh, max error. This one square, negative 6. Okay, so this is the calculation that we can use for Form 1 chapter 3.